Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to explore how the Internet of Things, or IoT, is changing the game for maintenance and operations teams. We'll look at the amazing benefits, practical implementation strategies, and also discuss some of the challenges. Whether you're new to IoT or looking to enhance your current setup, this video is going to be a goldmine of information. So, stick around if you want to learn how to work smarter, not harder. We're diving into how the Internet of Things, or IoT, is revolutionizing the maintenance sector. IoT isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's making a significant impact on how maintenance teams operate, ensuring they work smarter, not harder. Let's start by exploring the benefits of IoT in maintenance. Imagine being able to check the temperature of your HVAC system while you're out at dinner. That's the kind of remote monitoring IoT offers, but it doesn't stop there. IoT technology allows for the setup of smart sensors that automatically log data, whether it's standard or anomalous. This data can then be automatically uploaded and analyzed, helping predict when maintenance should occur before a breakdown happens. This proactive approach not only improves asset reliability, but also optimizes the use of maintenance resources by ensuring that teams only work on what needs attention. Now, if you're thinking about integrating IoT technology into your maintenance routine, here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. First, begin with a single example asset. This approach helps you understand the technology's impact and fine-tune data gathering without overwhelming your team or budget. Next, focus on monitoring a single data channel. This could be anything from vibrations to temperature, depending on what's most critical to your operations. And remember, roll out slowly. It's tempting to go big right away, but a gradual implementation allows you to manage the complexities of IoT without getting swamped. However, transitioning to IoT is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is cost. IoT sensors and the technology needed to run them can be expensive, but prices are dropping as technology advances. Another challenge is data overload. Collecting massive amounts of data is great, but it's only useful if you can analyze and make sense of it. Lastly, there's the issue of security. As you network more devices, you also increase the risk of security breaches. It's crucial to have robust cybersecurity measures in place to protect your data. Despite these challenges, the future of maintenance with IoT looks promising. The detailed data provided by IoT devices drives better maintenance decisions, ensuring that teams are not just maintaining, but enhancing asset performance. Remember, IoT is here to stay, and it's reshaping the landscape of maintenance by offering smarter, more efficient ways to manage operations. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your existing IoT setup, the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. So consider how IoT can fit into your maintenance strategy and start making your operations more reliable and efficient today. Thank you for watching. We've covered the transformative role of IoT in maintenance, its benefits, implementation strategies, and challenges. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources and information, please visit our website at upkeep.com. It's time to embrace the future of maintenance with IoT. Let's work smarter, not harder.